कम बैक टू माय चैनल ओनली मैथ्स ईजीएस्ट मैथ्स। आज हम देख रहे हैं सीबीएसई का चैप्टर नंबर 4 जिसका नाम है प्रैक्टिकल ज्योमेट्री। प्रैक्टिकल ज्योमेट्री क्या है, सबसे पहले हम इसका इंट्रोडक्शन देख लेते हैं। यू हैव लर्न हाउ टू ड्रॉ ट्राइंगल्स इन क्लास 7। वी रिक्वायर 3 measurements of sides and angles to draw a unique triangle. Since 3 measurements were enough to draw a triangle, a natural question arises whether 4 measurements would be sufficient to draw a unique 4 sides closed figure, namely a quadrilateral। ठीक है, कुछ आपको ये आपको दी गई है एक्टिविटी, ये आपको करके देखनी है। अब देखिए हमारे पास आता है कंस्ट्रक्टिंग अ क्वाड्रिलेटरल। वी शैल लर्न हाउ टू कंस्ट्रक्ट अ यूनिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल्स गिवन द फॉलोइंग मेजरमेंट्स व्हेन 4 sides and 1 diagonal are given, when 2 diagonals and 3 sides are given, when 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are given, when 3 sides and 2 included angles are given, when other special properties are known. Let us take up these constructions one by one. When the length of 4 sides and a diagonal are given, we shall explain the construction through an example. Example number first, construct a quadrilateral PQRS where PQ is equals to 4 cm, QR is equals to 6 cm, RS is equals to 5 cm, PS is equals to 5.5 cm, and PR is equals to 7 cm. Now its solution. A rough sketch will help us in visualizing the quadrilateral. We draw this first and make the measurements. फिगर 4.5, फिगर 4.5 को आप अच्छी तरह देखिए। फर्स्टली हम क्या करेंगे, स्टेप फर्स्ट, फ्रॉम द रफ स्केच इट इज़ इजी टू सी दैट ट्राइंगल PQR कैन बी कंस्ट्रक्टेड यूजिंग SSS कंस्ट्रक्शन कंडीशन। ड्रॉ ट्राइंगल PQR, फिगर 4.6। Step number second, now we have to step number second, now we have to locate the fourth point S. This S would be on the side opposite to Q with reference to PR. For that we have two measurements. S is 5.5 centimeters away from P, so with P as center, draw an arc of radius 5.5 centimeter. S is 5 cm away from R, so with R as center, draw an arc of radius 5 cm. The point S is somewhere on this arc also. S should lie on both the arcs drawn, so it is the point of intersection. Intersection point हो जाएगा दोनों arcs का of the two arcs. Mark S and complete PQRS. PQRS is the required quadrilateral. ठीक है, then you exercise 4.1. Now when two diagonals and 3 sides are given, when 4 sides and a diagonal were given, we first drew a triangle with the available data and then tried to locate the fourth point. The same technique is used here. Example number second, construct a quadrilateral ABCD given that BC is equals to 4.5 cm, AD is equals to 5.5 cm, CD is equals to 5 cm, and the diagonal AC is equals to 5.5 cm, and diagonal BD is equals to 7 cm. Solution. Here is the rough sketch of quadrilateral ABCD. Studying this sketch, we can easily see that it is the possible to draw triangle ACD. First how, देखिए, draw triangle ACD using SSS means side construction. We now need to find B at a distance of 4.5 cm from C and 7 cm from D. With D as center, draw an arc of radius 7 cm. B is somewhere on this arc. Now step third, with C as center, draw an arc of radius 4.5 cm. B is somewhere on this arc also. Step number 4, since B lies on both the arcs, B is the point intersection of two arcs, mark B and complete ABCD. ABCD is the required quadrilateral. Now your exercise 4.2, complete this, and then when two adjacent sides and three angles are known. As before, we start with constructing a triangle and then look for the fourth point to complete the quadrilateral. Example number 3. Construct a quadrilateral MIST where MI is equals to 3.5 cm, IS is equals to 6.5 cm, angle M is equals to 75 degree, angle I is equals to 105 degree, and angle S is equals to 120 degree. And then solution. Here is a rough sketch that would help us in deciding our steps of construction. We give only hints for various steps. Firstly, step number first, how do you locate this point? What choice do you make for the base, and what is the first step? See the figure 4.16. MI is equals to 3.5 cm, angle Y is equals to 120 degree, and at S angle M is equals to 75 degree. At M, where will SY and MZ meet? Mark that point at ST. We get the required quadrilateral MIST. Now your exercise 4.3. When three sides and two included angles are given under this type, when you draw a rough sketch, note carefully the included angles in particular. Example number 4. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD where AB is equals to 4 cm, BC is equals to 5 cm, CD is equals to 6.5 cm, and angle B is equals to 105 degree, and angle C is equals to 80 degree. Now this solution, we draw a rough sketch as usual to get an idea of how we can start off. Then we can devise a plan to locate the 4 points. Step number first, start with taking BC is equals to 5 cm on B. Draw an angle of 105 degree along BX. Locate A 4 cm away on this. We now have B, C and A. The fourth point D is on CY, which is inclined at 8 degree to BC. So make angle C is equals to 80 degree at C on BC. Step number 3, D is at a distance of 6.5 cm on CY. With C as center, draw an arc of length 6.5 cm. It cuts CY at D. Step number 4, complete the quadrilateral ABCD. ABCD is the required quadrilaterals, figure 4.23. Now exercise 4.4, complete this. Some special cases to draw a quadrilateral. We used 5 measurements in our work. Is there any quadrilateral which can be drawn with less number of available measurements? The following examples examine such special cases. Example number 5. Draw a square of side 4.5 cm. We know that every side of a square is equal. So it is simple that is solution is initially it appeared that only one measurement has been given. Actually we have many more details with us because the figure is a special quadrilateral, namely a square. We now know that each of its angles is a right angle. See the rough figure. This enable us to draw triangle ABC using SAS condition. Then D can be easily located. Try yourself now to draw the square with the given measurements. Similarly, your example number 6 and then your exercise 4.5. Do this. और इफ़ यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम यू कैन आस्क मी इन कमेंट सेक्शन। मैं आप सबको आंसर दूंगी आपके क्वेश्चंस का ज़रूर। आप लोगों को आज का वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो इसे लाइक कीजिए, अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कीजिए। थैंक यू।